Are you strong, skillful, and structured, yet secretly exhausted? Do you struggle to delegate your most important tasks, or perhaps any of your tasks, personally or professionally, to those around you? This may mean that you're suffering from the ill effects of the strict perfectionist personality type. Don't get me wrong. Our world needs people like you who see a better picture, who see future perfection. The draining aspect of your personality type could be that you take the point of view of your perfectionistic or idealistic picture of the world, personally, professionally, and in public, because then none of the status quo comes close to your picture of perfection. So let's engage in coffee conversation. Feel free to work through the text that accompanies this video. Perhaps I can help you to use your innate creativity to engender your visionary enthusiasm, to embrace learning and progress through mistakes, to change your point of view to the reality of what is now, and then work with gusto and enthusiasm to that more perfect or better picture. Perhaps I could guide you to see why you have this beautiful personality type by design, and that is to love yourself and love those around you, to make the world better for yourself, those around you, the planet, shared collective prosperity, and to be adaptive, to have a peacemaking mindset, all in the mix, starting from your current stuckness from time to time, or perhaps permanently, trying to view the world from an ideal point of view, which is that future that we are all working towards. So do join me for coffee. I'm looking forward to helping you grow well.